how much testosterone am I actually taking? How much TRT am I doing? How long have I been doing it? Am I on any gear? Am I taking HGH also? What else am I doing? Clomid? What else? Clenbuterol? You name it. I'm going to tell you exactly my stack and exactly the cycle. Now, here's why I'm doing this. Every time I do a live training on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, it goes without question that somebody, or at least usually 5, 6, 7, 8 guys and some women will say, hey, how much testosterone are you taking? There's no way you can look like that at your age without taking pharmaceuticals or without injecting or without being on some kind of gear or juice. That's not true. Now, when I tell you what my weight is and my height, I'm going to show you that in real time when I get on the scale so you have better context. First, before I show you the height and the weight, I'm going to get this mapped out for you so that you have the answers you need. I can then direct people to just go watch the YouTube video where I reveal everything. All right? Now, here's the thing. When people jump on, see me training in a live session, I get it. They don't have context. They don't know me. Most of them don't know me. So they're assuming, well, this guy who's a grandfather in his early 50s, he's got to be doing something. Because you just can't look like that and be all natural, right? Wrong. You can. So I'm going to go over my stack, and then I'm going to show you the weight and the height so that you know, oh, now it all makes sense, okay? The stack is number 1, proper training. This is going to be messy because I'm going fast here. This is going to take a minute or two, that's it. Proper training. What I mean by proper training is not beast mode, not crushing it, not killing it, because your fitness is supposed to help you. It's not supposed to damage your shoulders, not supposed to damage your knees, not supposed to jack up your back. It's supposed to help all your joints and give you better physical results on the inside and the outside than what you've gotten in the past. That's why I use the word proper training, right? It can all be done at home. You don't need to go to the gym unless you want to do it at the gym. But I'm going to give you some free examples toward the end of this where you can go get a free program. All right, proper training is the first part of my stack. The second part of the training includes number 2, fitness gourmet nutrition. Fitness gourmet nutrition feeds into the training. You train the body, and then you have to feed the body so that you're allowing all the building blocks to feed the response from the activation and stimulation you got from your proper training. Now you feed the building blocks with fitness gourmet nutrition. I didn't say carnivore diet. I didn't say zero carb. I didn't say paleo. I didn't say your typical gym personal trainer diet, chicken, broccoli, and a potato 8 times a day. No. Fitness gourmet nutrition. It's eating fitness gourmet level, all good foods, lots of herbs and spices, proper fats, proper proteins, proper carbs. You need carbs for glycogen to fuel your proper training, okay? That can include some beer. It can include some wine, some sugar, some chocolate, some dessert. But you can't only eat that stuff. That has to be added in to your main meals, okay? Number 3, proper all-natural supplements. Does this mean you need to be taking 20 supplements every day, feeling like something's a little bit weird? Like that's all you do? No, your life is not supposed to be taking 20 different supplements, okay? This is it's a food-based, food-sourced, whole food-sourced, multivitamin mineral, highly bioavailable because it's fermented. That's what I take. So I get all that. It includes iodine because you need iodine for the thyroid. It includes your adaptogens, low-dose organic ashwagandha, organic antioxidant from your grape seed extract, organic coffee cherry fruit extract for the brain-derived neurofactors. You got to have not just your greens, but you got to have your purples, your reds, your yellows, so it's full spectrum fruit and veggie combined, not just greens. Okay, so you have to have a proper combo supplement. I also do take German creatine. Those of you who know, you know, German creatine, not from China, not from India, German creatine. And then also some D3K2. The reason I take extra D3K2 in addition to what's in the multi is because I've had low Ds in the past. Now, I've gotten them down from the 30s up into the 80s, and now I'm just on maintenance mode. Your vitamin D levels are very important. They're actually more of a hormone level, all right? Guys, that's important for you to know. All right, so that's the stack. So far, I haven't mentioned the TRT, the testosterone, HGH, all the other stuff, the gear, the juice, but here we go. Here's the cycle. Here's how I cycle it. 5-day training rotation. It's a 5-day training rotation, which I'm going to give you for free if you want it, and I'm going to show you some sample exercises on the unique style of training so that you're not busting up your joints. 5-day rotation. Day number 1 is lower body, all lower body, okay? What I do without going beast mode and without super heavy weights and progressive overloads gives me plenty of good results for these legs to carry me through life as a grandfather who has all the hobbies I have. These are the wheels. These are the vehicles right here, all right? So day 1, all lower body, mostly body weight, some light weights, which are over there, and some resistance band use, which are over here. Day 2 is chest and back. I did chest and back today. You can see some of the lats still probably pumped up a little bit. Okay, chest and back was today. Day 3 is abs core, complete midsection for the abs and core, all the way around. Not just this, but complete midsection, 360 degrees around. If you're not doing that, you're putting yourself at risk. Day 4, shoulders and trapezius. Shoulders, trapezius is day 4. Day 5 is arms, biceps, triceps. And of course, forearms in there too. Okay, biceps, triceps, day 5. That's the 5-day rotation. I'm going to give you a free sample program at the end of this video, which is almost over. Cycle that. 2 is my low-level cardio. I don't run anymore. I don't sprint. I don't even jog. But it's low-level walking with my dog, Yanko, the standard American Bulldog. We do at least 5 miles a day. We break that up. Sometimes 8 or 9 miles a day, depending on the weather and the time. It's broken up over 3 nice, awesome walks. I'll listen to podcasts, sometimes my own podcast, the Midlife Muscle podcast, some other ones, or I'll make client phone calls because I do long-distance remote coaching with clients around the world. So sometimes I'll do that on FaceTime or on the phone during the walks. But it's low-level cardio. If the weather's bad, I do body weight cardio. 20 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes 10, sometimes 25. All depends, but you could do body weight cardio gently without jumping around like a maniac, busting up your joints. Your fitness has to be conducive to longevity and give you the fat burning, toning results you need and the cardiac benefits. So bad weather days, indoor body weight cardio. A lot of my clients who live in busy cities, I have them doing indoor cardio when they don't have access to the right machines that they enjoy using for cardio. Number 3. 3 is, so you got the 5-day training, you've got your cardio. 3 is the continuation. Okay, the cycle is the continuation of all this together. You've got the stack. You've got your 5-day training rotation. You've got your cardio element here. And 3 is the consistency. Consistency. Because if you have not been consistent, there's no way you're going to get results. The key is to have a program and an approach that allows you to be consistent. Now, I'm not doing any TRT. I've never had to. I'm going to show you the weight and the height right now. Never had to. Might I do testosterone replacement, TRT therapy in the future when I'm 80? Maybe my levels drop to the 200s. I might if I need it, and I'll share that openly. I've been accused of doing all this stuff since I was a teenager. have never had to. I've always had the privilege and benefit of being around people since I was a kid who knew how to train. I went to school to become an exercise physiologist, learned even more, then developed my own gentle methods, and I'm going to show you an example right now. As you're watching this, there's going to be either a video over here or in the description that's going to allow you to get most of all this that I can give away free. I can't give away my supplements for free, but I'll include the link in the description for that. All right, we're going to do the weight and height, and then I'm going to show you the exercises I promised. All right, check this out. The scale, here it is. This is the scale. I'm going to bring you with me. All right, hopefully I don't break anything or mess this up. I'm going to bring you with me so you can see with your own eyes. Check this out. Keep in mind, I'm wearing my indoor training sneakers. I just had a big post-training meal, which was probably about 2.5 pounds. And I drank some too. So let's say we take off 2.5, 3 pounds. That puts me at around 129, 128 and change. I typically weigh around 127 before I eat. All right, so I'm under 130, that's for sure, under 130. My height is 5'1 and a half, 5'1 and 3/4, maybe. So when people don't know that and they see me on cam training and they get a look and like, oh, he's got gray hair in his face. He has to be juicing up. He has to be on TRT. No, I don't. When you see the stack and the cycle, now that it makes sense to you, you see the height and weight and know, and you understand, oh, he's an exercise physiologist, master's degree, and he's been coaching people for decades in addition to himself. That's the point, all right? People don't have proper context, so I'm giving you context today. Check this out. I want to make sure you can see the exercise I'm going to show you, and then you're going to get the link for the free program that I promised so that, number one, you know how to train either at home, at the gym, the hotel, Airbnb, wherever. You know how to do the 5-day rotation. You got all the videos to follow. You get the Fusion Flex Fitness Nutrition Framework free, all free. Check this out. This is what I mean by proper training. This is a beginner variation for the chest. When I say proper training, picture the advanced person like I do in the mornings doing my push-ups on chest day. You have to move slowly. If you're moving fast, momentum is doing your movement. You're popping out your elbows. That's not going to do crap for you. Nothing. Ladies, if you're still watching this, show this to your man. Show this to your guy. Maybe he's a dad. Maybe he's a grandfather. Maybe he's not yet. Show this to your guy so he can learn now and save him many, many years of anguish, pain, and doing the wrong things and getting injured without results. Check this out. Move slowly, and here's what happens. You remove momentum, and momentum is no longer doing the work for you, but your muscle fibers, you see that, are doing the work. When your muscle fibers do the work and momentum's not doing the work, this goes for all exercises, not just push-ups, dips, lunges, rows, chin-ups, pull-ups, reverse grip, bicep curls, tricep pushdowns, body weight, close grips, you name it, all exercises. Move slowly and you activate and stimulate your body for change instead of momentum doing the work for you, and also increasing the risk of injury by using too much momentum. It's not the quantity of your reps, it's the quality of each rep that makes the good stuff happen, okay? I'm flexing because I want to inspire you and show you, oh, this grandpa actually knows what he's talking about. All right, so that's it for now. If you've enjoyed this, if I've enlightened you, please post in the comments, let me know. If you have any questions, post in the comments, let me know. Here's what you're gonna do. There's a link here or here that tells you where to get all the free programs that you can be following. Doesn't matter if you're male, doesn't matter if you're female, doesn't matter if you're dramatically out of shape, you got the big fat gut hanging, you got nasty cellulite ladies in those trouble zones and problem areas, doesn't matter if you got love handles, doesn't matter if you're all flabby and flappy and you look like crap and you got man boobs, or you ladies, you're all saggy, it doesn't matter. I got the beginner version, that's free. Intermediate version, it's on the same page, free, okay? Click this video or check the video link for where to get the free program down in the description. All right, and then let me know when you get there that you're there. Thank me, whatever. If you use it, you will get benefits and results. If you get it and don't use it, you're not going anywhere. So don't be a flake. Be for real, okay? Follow through. Don't be a flake. Follow through. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.